A warm welcome to the hot. I mean, hotter. No, I mean the hottest ever countdown of desirability, जिसका नाम है The Times 50 Most Desirable Women of 2019. पर ये 10th एडिशन रहेगा अधूरा until I take you through the top 50 women जिन्होंने अपने ग्लैमर से जीत लिए हैं आपके वोट्स, हार्ट्स एंड ऑल द लव. इन्हें यहाँ तक लाने का 100% क्रेडिट जाता है आपको with your votes on www.timesofindia.com. Through regional polls conducted in 8 metro cities, Pune, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Chandigarh, Kochi, Kolkata, Chennai and Hyderabad, the top 10 from each corner of the country are then shortlisted to collate this list of the 50 hottest and most glamorous women in India, जिनके charisma और talent ने उन्हें बनाया hands down India's most desirable top 50 women of the year. But wait a minute, उसके पहले मिल लेते हैं उन stars से who are the queens of desirability, the epitome of fanfare, the forever desirable divas. The alluring, the reverent, the iconic Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. Films और फैशन वर्ल्ड की क्राउनिंग ग्लोरी अपनी हेजल आई से करती mesmerize और अपनी इटर्नल ब्यूटी से करती hypnotize. From India to Cannes, loved and admired like a princess turned queen. On Time's Most Desirable Women 2019, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan है forever desirable. The charismatic, the delightful and someone जिनमें glamour है भरपूर, the one and only Kareena Kapoor Khan, Bollywood की most spectacular heroine, the official Begum Sahiba of Pataudi Khandan and every bit a glam goddess. It's Kareena का effervescent charm keeping her timelessly desirable today, tomorrow and forever. From India gifted to the world, gorgeous and glam, Priyanka Chopra Jonas. She has a spark, she has the oomph, and she has that special something जो उन्हें बनाता है desirable across 7 seas. Always gorgeous and a true global icon, this Desi girl has truly captured a spot right into our hearts and rightfully so has also become a forever desirable on our list. Seen as Shivani in the Gujarati film Bhauna Vichar in 2019, Janki Bodiwala always makes headlines for her work and her pictures on social media. The actress is among one of the popular divas of Gujarati cinema, who has managed to win the hearts of the audience with her performance and personal style statements, bagging the title of being the Times Most Desirable Women of 2019 in Ahmedabad Times. Here, she's opening the show on rank 50.
I really feel on top of the world. I'd like to thank all my fans for voting for me. It's your love and support that has added more to me as an actor.
She has grabbed the top spot on Pune Times list of Times Most Desirable Women 2019 and is now a star spotted on rank 49 here. A dream girl with big bold eyes and such a pretty face, Neha Painse, spreading charm and looking glam all over. It's Neha Painse making her beautiful presence felt on number 49.
I guess it just came as a very pleasant surprise to me. It's not that I don't think I am desirable or something, but I'm like, oh, okay, wow, yeah. And that was more of my reaction.
The allure of Aishwarya Lakshmi is casting a spell from Kochi to Kashmir, making her the star of the Kochi Times Most Desirable List 2019. From never planning on acting to the most loved face of Kochi, it's Aishwarya Lakshmi making hearts beat on number 48. A new face on this list. It's Sai Manjrekar, who was seen romancing Salman Khan in Dabangg 3 last year and since then has gained immense popularity. Her simplicity and sober dressing style has made her a favorite among cinema goers and looks like she is here to stay for long. ये ब्यूटी फ्रॉम भागलपुर पहुंची बॉलीवुड आफ्टर अ क्विक एंड इम्प्रेसिव स्टिंट इन तेलुगु फिल्म्स. ऑन द बिग स्क्रीन लिखती अपनी डिजायरेबिलिटी की कहानी इन हर ओन स्वीट एंड सिग्नेचर स्टाइल. इट्स नेहा शर्मा की नेवर एंडिंग अपील मेकिंग हर लुक सो डिजायरेबल ऑन नंबर 46. A lovely looking lady born in Luxembourg, studied in London and stayed in Australia, है absolutely in love with lights, camera and action. Music maestro O.P. Nair's granddaughter. Niharika को शौक है to live her dream life and be in the limelight, and that makes her shine bright on India's most desirable on number 45. With dreams to fly high and higher, juggle karti between Tamil and Punjabi films, Sonam hai dressed in appeal and thoroughly in demand. Winner of the Chandigarh Times Most Desirable Women of 2019 की लिस्ट को टॉप करते हुए, here is Sonam Bajwa on number 44. Himachal girl turned Bollywood megastar Kangna Ranaut has all the sass and swag by her side. Kangna has always been unconventional and unafraid in her choices, be it films, fashion preferences or her red carpet looks. A national award winner, one of the highest paid actresses, bold, beautiful and leading a dream come true life. It's Queen Kangna Ranaut serving fierceness on number 43. A treat to the five senses, famous and fairy-like Nora Fatehi. इस Canadian dance sensation turned model turned actress का desirability mantra है to fascinate her fans day in and day out. It's Nora Fatehi in demand and fabulous from Canada to the heavens above on number 42. Moni के पास है some secret magic that works just about everywhere she goes. From the small screen, Nagin, to the lead roles in various films. It's Monica's slender and mellow, mermaid-like charm, casting a spell that's impossible to escape. On number 41. Well, रैंक्स 50 से 40 तक तो हम मिल ही चुके हैं कुछ स्टनिंग लेडीज से. अब वक्त है एक छोटे से ब्रेक का और उसके बाद आएंगी कुछ और अमेजिंग वुमेन लेके अपना चार्म और टॉप नॉच डिजायरेबिलिटी कोशेंट टू मेक आवर हार्ट swoon. Stay tuned and see you after the break. Welcome back to Time's Most Desirable Women of 2019. आइए अब मिलते हैं कौन है वो जिसने एंटर किया है इस लिस्ट में एज अ फ्रेश फेस. Just 10 films old and making her place firm to join the club of the most desirable women of 2019. Bhumi Pednekar is already a star-looking glam and lovely in all her films. A refreshing entrant in this list. Here's the Dolly Kitty or wo chamakte sitare damsel on number 40. Dripping in appeal and loaded with oodles of X Factor, unique and ravishing, Urvashi Rautela, left-handedly making headlines and heads turn. It's the unusual spell of Urvashi Rautela on number 39. Erica Fernandez is a beauty queen and fashion icon. She gained immense popularity as Prerna in Kasauti Zindagi Ki, and since then there's been no turning back. We are quite sure this Mangalorean beauty is on a mission to create an uproar, which brings her to number 38. Just a few films old and already a favorite amongst the youngsters, अनन्या पांडे की मासूमियत is here to stay. दिखने में क्यूट और slowly but steadily अपना टैलेंट दिखाती हुई अनन्या है all set to rule on number 37. तापसी पन्नू को नहीं जरूरत anymore to prove कि वो है super talented and be it a D-glam अवतार या dancing to an upbeat number. तापसी ने हर एक किरदार को निभाया है with elan and expertise. So आइए वेलकम करते हैं इस थप्पड़ स्टार का on number 36. Loved for the magic she does in front of the camera. Gorgeous Jennifer Winget, making the TV world every bit more beautiful and taking the desirability world by storm. It's Jennifer Winget on number 35. ये मुंबई गर्ल है a handful of films old and a natural actress. On desirability, थोड़ा sweet और थोड़ा नमकीन नजराना है नुसरत भरूचा. She lights up the screen with her अनोखा अंदाज. And here too, she looks dazzling on number 34. Soaring up on desirability है the piping hot diva from Hyderabad, Pooja Hegde. Few years ago, इस supermodel turned star ने बैक किया था second runner-up spot at the Miss Universe India pageant. An animal lover, a nature lover, and an ardent traveler. Peppy and pretty, Pooja Hegde हैं a sensation popular to the sky on number 33. In 2019 दिखी ईशा की marvelous presence not only in Hindi but in a Telugu film too, keeping her fashion and sex appeal game on the top level always. It's Isha Gupta making heads turn उनकी bold and beautiful presence से, making hearts race with her gracie, glam and gorgeous presence. It's the beauty of Isha Gupta, hands down unmissable on number 32. कोलकाता टाइम्स की मोस्ट डिजायरेबल विमेन ऑफ 2019 की विनर नुसरत जहां आ पहुंची हैं हमारे इस लिस्ट पर भी, मेकिंग दिस काउंटडाउन ऑल द मोर sweltering hot. कभी किसी कंट्रोवर्सी में तो कभी अपनी खूबसूरती की वजह से नुसरत रखती हैं अपने फैंस को केस अपने जादू में और आ गई हैं यहाँ भी ऑन नंबर 31.
I'm very happy and extremely elated to be making up to the list of Times Most Desirable 2019 as Calcutta Times Most Desirable 2019. And a big shout out to the entire Times group for motivating women in this way. Beauty needs to be appreciated. Thank you so much and big thanks and lots of love going out for all those people who voted for all of us. Thank you so much, means a lot.
खूबसूरत श्रीनिधि ने कदम रखा into the world of films और अपनी पहली फिल्म KGF से कर दिया अपने कई फैंस को घायल. अब इंतजार है to watch her slay it in the entertainment industry, and so she is an apt choice to be a part of the Times Most Desirable list on number 30.
Here I am thanking all of you for getting me into the list of most desirable women in India. Thank you so much for all the love and support. I hope you continue to support me throughout my journey. And to Times, thank you so much for constantly supporting and encouraging me since 2016. I will forever be grateful. Lots of love.
उनकी वो seductive walk, those smoky eyes and her wicked smile captured hearts of her fans और ये size 0 star बन गई everyone's favorite vamp in no time, making just about everyone's heart skip a beat. Cheer it up for Hina Khan जो कि हैं on number 29 here, but also the winner of the television's most desirable women's list. She's a model, she's a fitness consultant, and she's a beauty queen, making beauty meet talent at a perfect crossroads. Nehal ने जीता the befitting title of Miss Diva, Miss Universe India 2018 और represent किया India को at Miss Universe 2018. Let's hear it for the never seen before appeal of Nehal Chudasama, who is all of 23 and totally rocking the sash and tiara of a desirable diva on number 28. Look who's the talk of the town. Pataudi Khandan ka gorgeous Nazrana, Sara Ali Khan. She has the looks, she has the legacy, and she has those deep, intriguing dark brown eyes. A new rising star, none other than a stellar on desirability quotient, Sara Ali Khan on number 27. Next up is prettiness personified, Rakul Preet Singh. Rakul की pearly white smile, that sparkle in her eyes, and वो perfect Indian looks उन्हें बनाते हैं तमिल, तेलुगु और हिंदी फिल्म्स की quite a celebrated star. Let's hear it for this ravishing Punjabi kudi, Rakul Preet, creating such a desirable role on number 26. तो ये थी कुछ डार्लिंग डैम्सल्स जिन्होंने जीता दिल, बॉक्स ऑफिस नंबर्स और भी बहुत कुछ. वक्त हो गया है आपसे विदा लेने का, लेकिन प्लीज वेट फॉर आवर नेक्स्ट एपिसोड जब हम मिलवाएंगे आपको टू द टॉप 25 फेसेस ऑफ आवर लिस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स मोस्ट डिजायरेबल वुमेन ऑफ 2019. क्या आपके फेवरेट हैं इस लिस्ट में? लेट्स वेट एंड वॉच. टिल देन, stay home, stay safe and keep watching Zoom.